We're very excited about Open XML. We're strong believers in open standards that leverage XML. We believe that it's going to provide us a great deal of flexibility going forward in terms that it will protect our investments today for the future. It also gives us a great deal of flexibility in terms of integration to provide our customers with sophisticated business tools that interoperate with the business tools from Microsoft.
We love Open XML. We think Open XML really opens the floodgates to lots and lots of content that people in the past wouldn't have thought of converting into XML and marking up as XML and using in the kind of sophisticated ways that we use XML content in MarkLogic Server.
Open XML allows us to dynamically create an Office document and populate it with that data, freeing up a lot of time so that that person can just focus on doing the job they were hired to do as opposed to spending a quarter of their time rekeying information. And we run into that a lot.
The learning curve for Open XML and moving our product core from RTF to Open XML was actually not that bad at all. It was fairly, it took us a couple of weeks and we were all set because it's XML, so it's easily manipulated. There are many tools available for that, and we were just pick it up and we're up and running fairly fast. We're very pleased with that transition.
You'll see that governments start supporting Open XML because they now are ensured that every platform out there, all the citizens, everybody can work with it, and they know for sure that if you, for instance, create a law and you need to write it in a document, of course, every law is a document somewhere, then they know for sure that in 20 years' time, when the law is still valid and relevant, it's still openable. So that's an important factor of moving to an open standard.
I mean, my experience with OpenXML is a lot better than with previous technologies, and I'm sure that still a lot of opportunities for ISVs, for consultants, and eventually for end customers to use the power of OpenXML for their daily document usages.
OpenXML has been really transformed the way we reach our customers. It's really empowered us to reach new levels of integration with our clients, to reach new levels of what we can do for those clients. That's transforming. That is powerful. And where Microsoft is going with this standard, it's something that the whole world needs to get on board with. It's going to transform the way we do business.
Since the Open XML format is an ECMA standard, it really works on any platform. All you need is some tool that can crack open a zip file and some tool that can programmatically interact with XML. And you don't even have to be using Office. That has nothing to do with it. It's not anything to do with Office at all. It's just about this file format for storing streams of data. Whether it be binary or text, they can both go into the zip file. Doesn't matter who made them, where it came from, so it really can work on any platform.
We have been doing a lot of work on in different platforms as such, not just the Microsoft-related platform. We have done a lot of work on Java-related JSP-based application development as such.
Back in the day, when those files were proprietary binary formats, it was not really practical to try to reverse engineer them. And so having an open file format that anyone can read and write to is a big win for developers, I think, and also for users.
OpenXML is a great opportunity for us to really not have to worry about nothing but the data anymore. Just working directly with the content and not having to worry about the presentation or the versions of the viewers that you might be using. It also allows us to be able to be more smart about being able to map the appropriate metadata in the document, because now we can quickly map that straight from the XML as opposed to the binary model, which, I mean, despite the fact that it's doable, it is always a challenge.
Open is good and XML is good. I think that the industry debate around this has highlighted a few passionately held opinions, but ultimately the fact that you have standards organizations that are having open, community-driven, constructive review of critical standards, and of course using and building on XML is ultimately good for everybody.